Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use contact tags in GoHighLevel. This feature is incredibly useful for organizing your contacts and keeping track of important information about each person you're communicating with. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to GoHighLevel.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all of GoHighLevel's powerful features. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Conversations and click on it. This will take you to your messaging hub where all your contact conversations are stored and managed. Now, from your list of conversations, select the specific conversation with the contact you want to tag. This could be any contact you're currently working with or anyone you need to organize better. Clicking on their conversation will open up the full chat interface so you can view your message history with them. After opening the conversation, look over to the right side of your screen. You'll notice a panel that displays all the details and information about this particular contact. This is where GoHighLevel keeps all the important data related to each person you're communicating with. In this Details panel, you'll see a section labeled Tags. This is the feature that allows you to categorize and organize your contacts based on different criteria, making it easier to filter and manage them later. Tags can represent anything from priority levels to customer status or specific campaigns. Next to the Tags section, you'll notice a plus icon. Go ahead and click on this plus icon to begin adding a tag to your contact. This will open up a menu showing you all the available tags you can apply. From the menu that appears, choose the tag that best fits this contact. For example, you might select high priority if this is an important lead or customer who needs immediate attention. Tags like this help you quickly identify and prioritize your most important contacts. Once you've selected your desired tag, simply click on it to highlight it. This tells the system which tag you want to apply to this contact. Finally, click the Apply button to confirm and save your tag selection. The tag will now be attached to this contact, making it easier for you to filter, search, and manage your conversations based on these categories. And that's it. You've successfully tagged a contact in GoHighLevel, which will help you stay organized and respond more efficiently to your most important leads and customers. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.